From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's midday update, Fed midday update. You know, we tried to point out in the early video that we thought that the Fed would disappoint, and thus they have. They didn't come up with anything new. They held everything in line with what they've been talking about, and you know, the markets have reacted in kind on the downside. We're seeing very weak price action here in the S&P, and it's been that way all day long. When you look at the premium levels between the cash and the future S&P, they're pointing towards sell programs. The high in the S&P today came in early at 1352.5. The low was just made a couple minutes ago. Right now we're 11:45 Central Time. We made a low at 1339.70. Last we're 1341 even. We're down 9.6 handles. You know, there's been a lot of up here over the last couple of weeks, and they've run a lot of buy stops. And now what it looks like is they're looking to gun some sell stops on the downside. Now we just got a little bit of an uptick here, and we're trading back up to 1342. But again, you know what? The markets seem to be rejecting whatever's been going on here with the Fed, and the rest of the markets here seem to be a little bit quieter. There was a bit of an uptick here when the announcement came out at 11:30. You can see it over the interest rates and over here in the S&P, but now things have quieted down a little bit. We'll be back with the 3 o'clock closing print.